Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an emoji to your WordPress post title. Okay, so we are going to start. I got already my WordPress website that are open, and this is my SEO title. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add any emoji here by the end or anywhere. Even you can add it on the description. Okay, so we are going to start. First thing, click on your taskbar on Windows, right click, and then click Show Touch Keyboard button. Okay, when you do that, you can see the keyboard is ready here. Okay, now we are going to click on the keyboard. Okay, when you click on this keyboard, make sure you click where you want to insert your emoji on your title. Let's say I want to insert it on the middle here. I just click here, and I'm gonna click on this emoji on my keyboard, and then select this one. You can see it here. Okay, you can put whatever you want. Okay, very simple, right? As you can see here, those are the emoji I just inserted. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Ciao.